Hello, this is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping. Wanted to give an update here on our incredible swim pond, a recreation swim pond project here in Ada, Michigan. This area is going to be some huge waterfalls that are going to be coming down this slope here. Everything's going to be starting up in this wetland filter area. We'll come up and take a quick look at this. This area up here is where all the filtration takes place. This is about 30% of the size of the pond. We're actually going to get another 8 inches of gravel in here, and then we'll be doing rock work all around. So this is going to look like a huge upper pond area. We're going to be doing a bunch of retention back here, of course, but the whole goal is for the stream to be appearing as it's coming out of the woods. And then we'll walk around this area and we'll look at the pond. We've got a ton of cool outcroppings that we're going to be going through the entire bottom of the pond. We're at 6 feet deep in the deepest section of the pond, and so we got another terrace to go, and then the whole upper part of the pond and the entire stream and the wetland area, we're going to be using a decorative stone called weathered limestone. Big, huge slabs of mossy, cool decorative rock. And down this way is the swim lane. So the homeowner, it's very important to him. This thing is 75 feet long from this end to this end, and he wants to be able to do like swim laps and train for triathlon. So he's going to be swimming in this thing, doing his 75-foot laps in here. And then down this way is it's a really cool area. We're actually going to have a big seating area and a sauna up here. And so we've got steps built in that we're going to be going, building up this way. So they're going to be able to come up here and sit in a sauna. So if the water is a cooler day and the water is cold, they can come in and sit in the sauna and then do a cold plunge in the pond is kind of what their vision is. And so we'll have a seating area up in this area, intake bay over in this space here. So all the water and the pumping systems will be over in here in this space, pumping all the way to the top. And then we'll have a bunch of aeration jets going all around the pond as well. So yeah, just wanted to kind of give a quick overview on where we're at, and we'll send more videos as we make more progress with the project. So thanks so much for following us, Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping.